When I started the studio, I was not a dancer. I was a beginner. I concentrated only on my YouTube channel. I didn't concentrate on my own versatility. Like I didn't promote the studio see, my studio's name is Urban Dance Academy. So I never promoted it as like any other studio. I did only Bollywood, 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 and it continues. Till now it's Bollywood. So people think we only do Bollywood. So
Yeah.
that was a major mistake. And in YouTube videos, I did a lot of mistakes. We kept doing old songs. You're not supposed to do old songs when you're a YouTuber. You have to
Yeah.
get public attention and subscribers. In order to do
If
get
you
a lot
go
of
with the
subscribers,
trend.
you have to do you have to make only latest songs. So there were so many. I was not an introvert. I was in between. I talk to people whom I really like, or else I don't talk. So it was very difficult for me when I started the studio. People used to come up and be like, "Hey, can you explain about classes?" I was the one who sits at the reception because it's my studio,
Yeah.
obviously. So I used to be like, "Oh my God, what do I tell them?" Like I want to, but then I can't. Like
You
I
just in your
couldn't.
comfort zone till then.
Yeah, I it took me a lot of time to come out of it. When someone texts, people used to text me or DM me like 50, 60 messages every day saying, I want to join classes. In the beginning, not now. So I want to join classes. Can you please explain? I'm not this texting, calling person. So it took me really long time to come out of that zone. Now I can present myself. If I go somewhere, if I walk into a room and someone asks, hey, what do you do? Who are you? Like I'll be able to explain.